Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a trending AI photo effect called 3D action figure effect using Nano Banana. This is a brand new Google feature that lets you turn any photo into a realistic 3D model image instantly just by using a prompt. Okay, let's get started. First, just open Gemini. You can use it on your browser or Gemini app like this. And then next, just log in using your Google account. And once you're inside, just look for the create image tool. This one, just tap on it, or you can also tap on tools. This tools icon, and then create images like this. This is the same way to activate the Google's newest AI tool, Nano Banana, that will let you edit or transform photo using text prompts. And then next, just upload your photo. For the best result, just use a clear photo and then make sure your face and body are visible. Just avoid blurry or dark images. Just tap on plus button and then gallery and then just choose your photo. Like this. And then next, let's come the fun part. Let's typing a prompt. Let's write the prompt. Before, I have already prepared one prompt like this. You can just copy my prompt, but feel free if you want to tweak the prompt as you like change the details to match your styles and many more. Just tweak it as you like, and then next, just tap on generate. And okay, like this. Just look at this. The photo is now transformed into a 3D action figure complete with realistic bugs like this. It's so incredible. And then the lighting is so realistic. And then honestly, it looks like a real product that you see in a store. And it will, and then it, and even it keeps your face accurate. And then the 3D depth look realistic. And the Thai box is super aesthetic, and I think it's perfect for social media or maybe AI content. And okay, maybe that's it. That's how you can create 3D action figure AI photo using Nano Banana on Gemini. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.